Well, this is Grimace, the 1964 Starliner, which is going to be our next project car. May that notice there's no engine, but it does have the transmission. We're planning to put a 360 or 390 FE in here, but if we can put a higher engine there because you can look at the spokes for the transmission. They're bigger, or input shaft, but you may notice there's not much rust on it. You guys are correct. That's already put in. Just a little bit there. And let's get to the back. Rust back here. Just need to pop in something for these reverse lights because it ain't gonna have reverse light. On to the side here, you can see a little bit of quarter panels gone there, but that's not much. We got one underneath the rocker panel there and Bondo there. Yeah, you guys heard that right. Bondo it. And mirrors. This is a one-year body style 1964 Starliner off the Galaxy platform. This is a higher trim, the highest trim, the Club Victoria. This one, you may notice, has a floor shifter. That ain't factory. This has a 68 Torino transmission. I think it's CAP or something like that. I have it on the screen somewhere, but these bucket seats aren't factory. They didn't start having them until like 62 or 63. So it can't be 61, 62 or 63, but yeah, look at it. Looks pretty nice. We look in here, has a little bit of rust holes, but if you've been watching my channel and if you're new and watching this video, well, I recommend you try watch my other videos. I got some pretty other cool projects, but like I was saying, a little bit of rust area by the gas pedal in there, but that's nothing. You should see what else I do. Needed to do something with the transmission tunnel, a hole for the transmission, but if we look at the engine had 148,000, but this had a 352 in here, 2-barrel carburetor with the Ford Cruise-O-Matic. No, yeah, it is not the overdrive one, but that only came in the the 351. Yeah. But what we need to do to a Grimace here, we need to put the engine in, make sure the transmission's all hooked up, come out here to the clutch. I took the clutch assembly out for the Sunliner in there. Please watch the videos for that. But yeah, we need a little clutch thing. Actually, here we need bolts for the bearing here. That's it, and the rods to go here. That's all we need for the transmission. And then if any sponsor or companies want to sponsor us to help with the build, that'd be greatly appreciated as we get into the trunk. Wow. Original trunk bedding lining. The trunk bed ain't that bad, but we're leaving it. Man, there's not much rust here. It has the original cardboard piece that goes over there. And these are the fender quarter panel pieces. We might use it for here, or we might use it for the Sunliner, but this trunk is good looking, yeah. That area is all rusted on the other cars, but whoa. You ain't supposed to look there. Sneaky there. Yeah, this was a beautiful like pearl purple color, but that's not original. Some of the fenders have been re-swapped. But yeah, guys, this is Grimace 1964 Starliner, highest trim model. Pretty rare cars. Give you another look around what we have here. Ooh, that green car after Grimace will be next. Big project for that too. Not the biggest we have though. But yeah, Grimace. May notice these cool looking wheels. Ain't factory, but I love them. I think the Grimace has a drive shaft, yeah. Has the original gas tank, has the original speaker there, but no speaker up there. If anyone knows where we can get body panels, that'd be greatly appreciated. Let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, this is Grimace, the 1964 Starliner, our next project. Right now, we're working on a one in air and a sunliner. Almost done with them, but guys, watch those videos so you can help me out with these project cars. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you next one. Oh boy, spooky, spooky, scary skeleton.